The product rule of differentiation helps us tackle the derivative of functions that are made up of two unique functions multiplied together. In this case, we have that y equals f of x multiplied by g of x. We see that f of x is a different function from g of x. So the derivative of y with respect to x would be the derivative of f with respect to x multiplied by g of x plus the derivative of g with respect to x multiplied by f of x. Let's look at an example. Say y equals x squared plus 2x in brackets 3x power 5 minus 8x power 3. What we'll first have to do is separate these functions. We will say that u equals x squared plus 2x and v equals 3x power 5 minus 8x power 3. And then our dy dx would be u multiplied by dv dx plus v multiplied by du dx. So let's work out du dx and dv dx. Du dx from what we have will be 2x power 1 plus 2, and dv dx would be 3 times 5x power 4 minus 8 times 3x power 2, which is 15x power 4 minus 24x squared. So putting that all together, dy dx would be u, which is x squared plus 2x multiplied by 15x power 4 minus 24x squared, which is our dv dx, plus v, which is 3x power 5 minus 8x power 3 multiplied by du dx, which is 2x plus 2. Let's expand this bracket. So our final answer is 21x power 6 plus 36x power 5 minus 16x power 4 minus 64x power 3 minus 24x squared. I hope you got the same thing after expanding the brackets. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or you need direct math tutoring, feel free to email us at durotutors@gmail.com. Please like this video, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. And until then, keep drawing.